Hello and welcome to Your Finger, My Ring. I turn coins into rings and other things. A bit of poetry there, eh? Happy days. And the other day I was in the market and I met this woman called Corinne. And she's going to post me a load of American coins for nothing. And she sees I make key rings, cowboy hat key rings. And she see them, she said she'd like one. A Texas one, and luckily enough I have a Texas coin here. So today I want to make a cowboy hat for Corinne. So Corinne, if you're watching this, here we go. So we'll have Texas at the front of the hat. First of all, we need a ball bearing. The Texas will go. You've got to balance these because these are ready for 2Ps. How's everybody doing? That's looking pretty good. So now let me go over to Big Red. This is 20-cent press. And there you go. I'll let you see it coming down. I got this little jig off a guy in the States, this old boy. Nice bloke. He made it specially for me. I'll have to do a video. I've got a penny one as well. They make nice earrings. That's good enough. Okay. So now, let me go back to the table. And this is the start of the cowboy hat. You've got Texas in the front. So now we need to change the ball bearing. There's a magnet in the bottom of this, so it's a bugger to get out. For another ball bearing, that's got a slot cut in it. So Corinne, I'll send you a link to this. I think this is for your grandchild. I can't remember what you said now. You pop this back on again. Make sure it's nice and level. This puts the crease in the hat. That's pretty sexy. This goes back on. And this causes the crease in the hat. Now we go back over to Big Bertha and we'll need a bit more lift. There you go. Now this should put a nice crease in the top of the hat. You don't go too far, otherwise you'll cut through it. Right, let's go back to the table. What we got? Nice little cowboy hat, key ring. Now I'm going to punch a hole in it so I can get the. That was just a metal plate fall on the floor. Let's get rid of some of this zoom. I don't want to punch a hole in the Texas part. Okay, let's give it a go. These punches are good. A bit cumbersome though when you're trying to. That's pretty good. It's pretty central. There you go. One of them. I'll just go and get a key ring. Okay, I'm back. So, got a bit of chain. I usually do about 4 links. 1, 2, 3, 4. These links are really strong as well, so not much chance of it breaking on you. Open it up a bit more. Just a little bit more. You can tell I'm not a watchmaker, can't you? Okay, that's good. I'll do the same, yeah. There you go, coin. One Texas cowboy hat. Got the Texas at the front. Nice, good, solid chain. Thanks for the coins, darling. I hope you have the rest of your holidays good and safe journey home. And thank your husband for bringing them over for me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.